So good morning. So far we have seen all the classes associated with the byte stream. In this scenario, just I would like to explain about the classes which are relevant to the readers. So in this video, I am going to concentrate only about the reader classes. Okay. So actually, what is reader classes? So reader is an abstract class. Basically, reader is an abstract class which is used to represents the character stream. So whereas in the case here, the streams, input stream, output streams are which is used to represents the byte stream. So here reader is an abstract class which is going to represents the stream in character. Okay, stream in character. So, because of this representation, the reader is an abstract class. Here, we cannot able to create the instance of the reader class, but in fact, the reader class might have some different subclasses like buffered reader, input stream reader, string reader, piped reader, character reader, and filter reader. So actually, this is the content. You can have the lookup over the document, real document from the Oracle. So here you just see a reader is an abstract class. Reader is an abstract class. Public abstract class reader extends object, implements readable and closable. So direct known subclasses: buffered reader, character array reader, filter reader, input stream reader, pipe reader, and string reader. These are all the these are all the subclasses of the reader class. You cannot create the instance of the reader class. Rather, you can create the instance which is refer the reader class with the object of the subclass like file reader or string reader or pipe reader or character reader or filter reader. Okay, so this is the main case. So once if you want to work on, so let me clearly show java p java dot io dot reader. So this is an abstract class. You just listen, this is an abstract class. So abstract class cannot be instantiated, and you should override the abstract method. Here we have one abstract method read. So this method is going to read the character from the stream based on the length and the start, which is represented in the form of integers. So you can make use of all these methods. Say for example, if you want to check whether the check if the reader is ready to be read, so you can call the ready method. Okay, so reset, which is used to reset, close, which is used to close the reader class. And here this method is used to read the character from the stream and store it to the array of character. Okay, so these are all the predefined methods associated with the abstract reader class. So let me clearly explain how I'm going to implement the usage of reader class with one simple examples. Okay, kindly watch the program. So demo reader. So this is public static void main string args. So this is the skeleton. I'm going to make use of the reader class. Reader read equivalent to new. You cannot create the instance, so I'm going to call file reader because it's a subclass. File reader it's a file already available. Okay, so this is an object, abstract object, which represents the reader. Okay, so now read dot ready. So I'm going to check whether the reader is ready. System dot out dot println read dot ready. Okay, so I will save this program. Remove reader dot java. Error. So reader cannot find symbol. So I am not importing anything. So let me import the java dot io dot reader. Okay, java dot io dot file reader. And it throws some exception. Let me check later. Yes, file not found exception must be thrown. So go on define throws or use try catch block. So I'm going to make use of throws exception. Now demo reader dot java. So now the stream is ready. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just uh, in order to ensure myself the stream is ready, just I would like to store the data from the stream to the array of character arr equivalent to new char of the length will be 100. So this is the place where I'm going to. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just read dot, let me take the object as rd rather than read, because I don't want to confuse with the built-in method. So this is an object, let object be rd dot read of ar. So this is the method which is used to read the stream and store it into the array. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just I would like to print the array system dot out dot println print arr and then rd dot close. So this is going to close. So now I am saving this file javac demo reader dot java. Perfect. So look, this is the content which was already available in the satishivam.txt. Okay, satishivam.txt, this is the file. Okay, so fine, good. So this is a very good example of the reader class. So basically this is an abstract class, so we cannot create the instance of the reader class. That's what I am using, file reader. You can use string reader or any other class subclasses which is going to have the method. So it's a very good example for explaining about the reader class. So again, back to the mind map. So reader is a abstract base class, abstract class, abstract base class. Okay, which in turn which may be the superclass for the input stream reader, buffer reader, and file reader. So let me check with the input stream reader. Okay, java.io.reader. So this is an abstract base class. Okay, so this time I'm going to make use of java p java.io.input stream reader. So input stream reader is a subclass, it's a derived class which extends the reader. Okay, so you just listen here, which extends the reader class. So input stream reader is a subclass, input stream which extends the reader class. Suppose if you call for file reader, so which extends input stream reader and which in turn extends the reader class. Okay, so let me check with file reader. Look, file reader which extends input stream reader. So these are all the methods and constructors of the input stream reader. So you can use the same readof method. So here also the readof method. Actually, this is the reader. This is the method which can be overridden from the abstract reader. Abstract reader. You just listen here. This is an abstract. This is the same method which we are going to override from the reader class. Okay. So this is the architecture of the reader class. So let's work with another subclasses soon, especially file reader, how I am going to make use of the file reader separately in order to extract the characters from the stream. Okay, keep watch the reader classes. Enjoy coding.